What is noun? A noun is a word that identifies a person, animal, place, object, feelings, or idea. What is the use of noun? Here are the different use of a noun. Identify subject, specify object, describe concept, and last, the provide context. Example of noun in sentence. Number 1, dog is running in the park. Dog is noun, common noun. Park is noun or common noun. Number 2, reading a book about history. Book is a noun or common noun. History is a noun, abstract noun. The team won the championship. Team is a noun, a collective noun. Championship is a noun, a common noun. Number 4, John loves playing with his friend. John is a noun, a proper noun. Friend is a noun, a common noun. Thank you for watching.